Welcome back to another Premiere tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys about the toolbox. The toolbox has all tools like the cut tool, the text tool, the pen tool, the selection tool, all that good stuff. And I'm just going to be explaining every tool one by one and what they do. So the first tool that we're going to be looking at is the selection tool with shortcut V. So if you want to go to a selection tool whenever, just press V and you'll be able to use it. And this tool is mainly used to move clips around from left to right, right to left, and it's as simple as that. The next tool we want to be looking at is the track selection forward tool. Now with this tool you can select any clip, and all the clips before that, all the clips that are aligned with it are going to move forward. So the ones in the complete back, they're not going to get selected forward, and it's the same way going back. You can drag it left to right, right to left, and on the bottom arrow on the track selection forward tool, you can click your mouse, left click, and you'll see a track selection backward tool, and that just does the same thing but move all the clips from a certain point backwards. The next tool is the ripple edit tool. It allows you to lengthen or shorten a clip while seamlessly moving the rest of your timeline to accommodate. Shorten a clip and the rest of your footage will move up the timeline to close the gap. Lengthen one and the rest of your footage will be pushed down the timeline to give you more space. The next tool is the razor cut tool. Shortcut C, and with this clip you can make cuts on your clips at certain points in the timeline, and on certain key, if you want to cut every clip in that keyframe, you simply have to press shift and then left click, and all the clips in that keyframe will be cut. The next tool is the slip tool. Rather than deleting the clip, choose a new one in and out points and replacing them in the timeline. The slip tool allows you to change the in and out points of a clip from its place within the timeline. The next tool is the hand tool. With this tool you could look at your entire timeline without having to use a scroll. And for the text tool and the pen tool, I will be teaching those in a separate video, so look in the description and there should be a scheduled release if it's not released already. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.